come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
I want to get in Anand Ranganathan. Are we a failure? Is it uncomfortable for India? Yes, it is. If somebody is announcing tariffs and somebody is, the most powerful country in the world is actually getting up and every morning taking us literally to the cleaners, it's not a comfortable position to be in. But you're dealing with an entity like Trump. Have we failed Anand Ranganathan, or is this just the new Trump?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. No, we haven't failed. We just haven't realized yet that we are like every other nation. And if I can draw an analogy, we are like that life of Pi. We are in that boat with the tiger. So, we're just not aware. And every time I think of America nowadays, I think of the Bates Motel. Of course, it's a bit problematic as to who is taking the orders Norman Bates is giving. But can I just also gently rebuke you, because every time you get the panelists who are in the digital panel below, I request you to get at least one fact checker also as an extra panelist. मतलब 3-4 झूठ इन्होंने ऐसे matter of factly बोल दिए. For example, मोदी ने ट्रंप के लिए हवन कराया, फेक न्यूज. मोदी ने कहा अब की बार ट्रंप सरकार, फेक न्यूज. दिस इज फ्रॉम द व्हाइट हाउस. आई मीन कितना फैक्ट चेक करूं मैं इनको. मोदी रिपीटेड वर्बेटिम what Trump said. मोदी never ever endorsed.
जी मैं प्ले कर देता हूं.
ना प्लीज एक सेकंड आप रुकिए. आप ये व्हाइट हाउस के ट्रांसक्रिप्ट देखिए, उसके बाद मैं आपसे माफी भी नहीं मंगवा रहा, क्योंकि इतना झूठ बोलते हैं कि तो माफी मांगेंगे.
अश्विनी कुमार जी, आपकी वजह से मुझे रिब्यूक मिल जाती है, शायद जेंटली से ही. आप फिर बीच में घुस रहे हैं. रुक जाइए.
हाँ. And what did he say? Can I say verbatim what he said? Can I say the words of candidate Trump?
Yes, please.
Anand. Trump Sarkar rang loud and clear, and his celebration of Diwali in the White House lit up millions of faces. He is verbatim quoting Trump. झूठ मत बोलो यार अश्विनी. अब you were saying 15 लाख भी डाल दिया अकाउंट में. Anyway, we have digressed. I apologize, but this had to be done, Navika, because please bring a fact checker when these guys are lying to their teeth. Obviously,
आलू सोना as well.
अब ये देखिए, अब बीच में फिर ये आ गए. Can I please come back to the topic? Yes. Navika, thank you. Navika, look, I'll stick to the point very briefly. Earlier, I used to think that these Western nations and their leaders, including the Americans, especially the Americans, are hypocrites. But after listening to the soundbite that you played of the erstwhile American ambassador to India, I'm not going to restrict myself to them just being hypocrites. I'm sorry, and I use this word very responsibly. They are psychopaths. You have to understand what psychopathy means. Did you see the ease with which he just set aside the morality and ethics of currently Trump is using of killing innocents in Ukraine by saying, oh, a war happened. We have to stabilize the oil prices, and that's why we encourage people to buy Russian oil. So this is how much they value innocents being killed. They don't want the oil prices to go up, so they are asking people to buy Russian oil when it suits them. This is psychopathy. This is no longer hypocrisy. But coming to hypocrisy, of course, it's a fact. And I said 2 days ago, I gave the data, 18 million tons of LNG, 16 million tons of PG, so many million tons of Russian oil which is refined by India is being currently bought by America. So many 435 tons of uranium. You have millions of 3.5 million tons of fertilizers. They are buying everything from Russia. It's just that they believe that they are in a situation to dictate the other countries to not buy. So can we just be calm? Keep calm and carry on, and please understand that every country is in the same boat. चाइना पे तो 51% टैरिफ्स लगे हैं, ब्राजील पे 50% लगे हैं. कोई ऐसा सगा नहीं जिसको ट्रंप ने ठगा नहीं. So let's keep calm and carry on.